Today on A.D.D.Garage, every car guy's worst nightmare. Basic maintenance items. Ooh. You all hate putting those in. Can't buy speed parts if you gotta buy basic maintenance parts. So, I'm getting ready for a road trip, and either way, I was planning on working on the El Camino. That's not what's happening. Old tow pig here, she decided she was gonna start spitting coolant out. And well, it's either the upper radiator hose right there or the thermostat gasket, but it's all old and crusty stuff. I think I might have done that one once when I first got the truck, but well, that's a factory clamp down there on the lower. I don't know if that's ever been done, so let's get to it. Found our smoking gun. She done got brittle and blowed out. So easy enough fix. We're gonna take care of both the hoses, flush the radiator while I'm at it. Even though I was replaced a couple years back, but yeah, you can definitely see probably a little better now how it was just cooling up back there. But yeah, it would just randomly drop coolant after I parked it, and I couldn't figure out what was going on. Sometimes you just gotta look. They do tend to make fluid certain colors, and they got certain tastes too. It's always a good idea to clean gasket surfaces first. So let's see, those are pretty gnarly. I am going to be using one of these bristle brushes, some end of a drill. Should be able to get it down on the other side there too. We will go ahead and see. Got it all buttoned up. Let's put some coolant back in it here. Make sure everything holds, but should be good. Pretty obvious culprit there, so let's get it. Alright, well, fire this thing up. Got it all topped off here. Anytime you deal with fluids or anything like that, a lot of times you want to bleed the air out of the system. So let's have out of here. You guys scream at your TV if anything starts, boiling over or running out or trying to explode. Easy enough fix. Everything cycled right, got up the temp, and should be ready for that road trip up north now. Hell yeah. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Like, share, subscribe, ring that bell, whatever you're supposed to do on your end. I don't know. Or my neighbors think I'm crazy yet, talking to myself in the driveway. Good thing I already was.